Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and romance forecast. Yes, friends, how your September love life, your romance relationships, whether you are single or coupled, will be. This reading is all about that. And please do subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot friends. Subscribe, like, and share. If you haven't already, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, I do post in both the languages, alternate days. That's the channel schedule. It's been like this for over an year. I don't know what's wrong with you all, friends. So if you are not aware of it, alternate days on this channel, English and Hindi readings, and on our other channel, only Hindi readings, friends, Hindi Urdu readings. So Magic Vents Tarot, Hindi Urdu, that is the channel, friends. Today the choices are really beautiful since it is about love. I have some beautiful flowers. I will also be pulling some extra dices for you for extra messages. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, this beautiful pink flower. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower. Option number 3, this beautiful blue flower. So take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. You can also pause the video if you need more time to choose a pile, or you can also choose 2 piles also, no problems. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful gorgeous pink flower. It's my favorite. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Let's see how your September will be. This is your advice card, and this is your romance angels messages, and these are your cards. Let's see. 6 of winter, wonderful, that's beautiful. The 10 of winter, okay. The magician, and it has a unicorn, that's so amazing, beautiful. Let's see. The 7 of summer. The Wheel of Fortune, number 10. That's amazing. Wow, friends. The Magician, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Pentacles. Look at that, friends. Now, this is beautiful. I hope you can see the cards. This card I will pull in a second. First, we'll look at here. How your September will be, friends. My God, it is a powerful month for your love life. Whether you are single or coupled, friends, you are ending some really tough situations in your life. Some things are, something has ended for you in your love life, or you are going through a major ending, or a breakup, or you feel very stressed about your love life. Like you feel like, things are at a pause. Nothing is going your way. The end of a career path, project, or a relationship which brings feelings of relief. See, there is an ending. Maybe you have ended a relationship a year back, or maybe a few months back, maybe a week back. So there is that. You start this month feeling like finally you are free from this burden. You may think about this breakup, this ending, but you are free from it. Mentally, emotionally, you're free from it. I see that September, you are moving ahead. Your love life, friends, is moving ahead. You are moving to happiness, to love, to joy, and towards, people who are alike you. I feel, friends, you have been I don't know why. I feel like people have been attacking you in your relationships, whether it was love or maybe in your friendships or I don't know why. I feel like um, there was no support in your love life. Whether you are single or even if you were married, people were not supporting you, your husband or wife was not supporting you, your twin flame was not understanding you, your ex was not understanding you, but you are over that. Now in September, congratulations, your love life will move ahead. Happiness is coming, challenges, worries, breakups, endings are over. I do feel that although this month will be extremely powerful for your love life, why? Because Saturn will be going direct as well as Jupiter, the planet of luck, will be going direct, and that will bring a huge positive change in our lives. It may not show in September, but it will start showing in October, November, December, and in the year ahead also. But some confusions may happen to you in September. I do feel like you may still feel a little confused about this ending, or you may be forced to end a relationship in September. If you are single, you will end that and you will get ready to meet a new partnership, or you will start manifesting a partnership. But I do feel like you will feel a little confused, like, should I, shouldn't I? There is some confusion regarding your love life. You may miss someone from the past. I also feel that you will be, you want the new things, you want the past things, so there is some confusion. I do see you being a little confused in your love life, but you are very, very powerful. You have the magician, the unicorn. There is magic in the air. You can manifest what you desire. Let me just pick this card up. Look at this. You are manifesting, friends. You are a very, very powerful manifester. In September, you can manifest a relationship, make a partnership better. If you are single, you are attracting a twin flame or a very, very important soulmate or soul friend. I see friendships and soul connections coming towards you. I also feel that a relationship which was stuck, or maybe a marriage which was stuck, is going to move ahead because you have the wheel of fortune, things moving ahead. Expect a sudden positive change in your love life. You can now move forward and make great progress. So, definitely. Oh my god, some of you have been single like since 8 months, 9 years, 6 months, 6 years. I don't know, friends. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. And things are going to shift in September. Yes, why? Because you are manifesting. So make sure to manifest. I feel the drawback in the month of September is that you may feel a little confused what to manifest, how to manifest, or maybe some of you, 50% of you, will be getting a past partner back, an ex lover, a twin flame, ex husband, wife, or someone is coming back. They want you, they are trying to manifest you, but I see that you may not. You will not accept them, or you may feel confused about their proposal or their entry back into your life. I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important to you, friends, in the month of September. You could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel that Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be extremely important for you. Scorpio, Pisces are very important for you in the month of September. You are looking for people who can understand you and value your love, because you are going to value yourself. You are going to put yourself first in September, and that is necessary, friends. That is necessary because I see one energy is here, magician. Number 10 is also one, and again you see this 10 is here, which is also 10 of winter is also one. So a lot of new beginnings are coming your way. You have to trust, friends. The challenges in your love life are ending, relief is coming, new partnerships are manifesting. You can manifest a new love. Some of you will ask, how do I manifest a new love? Start by asking, what do you need? What do you need in a new love? What are you looking for? I think you are looking for someone who respects you, who values you, who offers you commitment. And I see that person coming in your September, in your life in September. I feel, but it will happen towards the end of September, not in the beginning of September. So, someone new could come into your life, or someone could return in your life in September, around the mid of September, like after the 20th of September. So, that's when things are going to really come back in your life or start moving ahead for you. And let's see this extra card. Dreams coming true, number 9. Yes, friends, your wishes about love are coming true. Angels, the universe is hearing you. So make sure. I think right now, when you are watching this reading, I suggest you, if you want to manifest a lover or a new or more harmony in a relationship, take a pen and a paper while you are watching this reading and start writing down what you want to manifest. Because even that may change your life, you know. That will be the first step of starting something new. Very, very destined relationships, very, very happy friendships are coming your way. You are going towards them rather than the things coming, people coming towards you, you are going towards them. But also, friends, 10-20% of you will be ending a relationship and moving ahead. Why? Because this ending has not yet happened in your life. If you have not faced this ending, it will happen in September, but you will recover very quickly from it. You will recover very, very quickly from it. Although you will feel a little confused and sad, but you will recover quickly. Most of you have faced this ending. You are currently facing this ending. So September will bring you relief. It will bring you happiness. Let us see this advice for you. Then we're gonna look in the extra charms from here. Conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse. Wow, this is amazing. Definitely, friends, some things are ending. Some situations, some tough challenges in your love life are coming to an end, and good things are starting for you. I feel emotions will be a little high for you in the month of September, so watch out for that. And communications, watch out for people who are communicating with you, because I see like another drawback I see is that you may not want to talk to people. I don't know why, but I see like people are messaging you, but you are not replying to them. So you need to talk to them, friends, and make sure to say hi, to say hello, because you know, this is your advice. Conclusions are within the reach. You should reach out, you know, and your dreams are coming true. Number 9. Let's see your romance angels messages. Wow, let's see that. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy. Yes, friends, it is September is your month to relax, enjoy your life, enjoy your love life. Don't be so serious. Take relationships on a playful level, on a friendship level, and I think you are going to enjoy. I also see a new romance coming, or some relationship getting back on track, and flirting, happiness, friendship, returning back in that relationship. So congratulations. Let me just pull some charms, these dices for you. I'm gonna put these cards aside. Okay, I'll pull 2 and let's see what comes out. For pile number 1 for the month of September, what will happen in the month of September? Oh my God. See, you have this comb and the scissors. Wow. I see someone is going to really groom you. Some of you could be taking care of your body, your health, your looks, maybe a new haircut that's going to attract a lot of attention, because you have this Queen or the King of Pentacles, you falling in love with yourself. So that's amazing. I also feel like this is like someone trying to fix a relationship with you, maybe a marriage. Someone wants to fix it, like trim it and make it perfect. So someone could be returning back to fix a relationship. And what is this? Let's see. Oh my God, I have no idea what this is. I think this is like a clown or a devil, like a shark face. I think, yeah, this is like a shark. Look at the eyes. There are two eyes here. This is like the shark face. So I see like you you want power in your relationships in the month of September, or you want powerful people in life, you know, like Somehow you have been bitten in love, love has not been easy for you, pile number one. So you are a little scared and overprotective about yourself because that energy is here also, Seven of Cups. You feeling a little confused, little self-protective, you giving things time. So I see that uh, you will be very protective of yourself, friends, and you will be attracting people who are quite leadership, quite leaders, quite attractive, and also people who talk a lot. I don't know why, but it makes me feel like someone will talk a lot, and they will talk a lot, like ooh, and you'll be like, how much they talk. You'll be like, you will look like this cat. Look at this. Oh my god, why this person talking so much? But I think you will enjoy it. It will bring a relief. It will bring some happy, fun energy into your love life. So yes, so stay connected and stay in touch. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. And if you enjoyed this reading, don't forget to click the bell icon. Let me know in the comment section, especially if you enjoy our English readings. Please give us a shout out, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower, let's see how your month of September love will be and romance will be, whether you are single, whether you are a couple. This is your romance angels messages. This is your advice for the month. I will also be pulling some extra charms from here. And this is your oracle messages. Let's look at your cards first. Wow, the Six of Spring. This is beautiful. Very nice. Renewal. Look at these raccoons. These cards are beautiful. I really like them. Four of Autumn. Oh, 4-4 again. You see, you notice that 4-4, 4 of Autumn, 4 of Winter. And the Three of Spring. Three of Wands, and the Five of Winters. Oh my god, friends, what are you up to? I need to ask you that because a lot is happening in your love life in the month of September. Wow. I feel, friends, like right now things are either at a pause. I feel like things are really stuck in your love life. Nothing is happening. It's like there is no communication, there is nothing happening. Some of you are waiting for a person from a long time, or you are single, or you are waiting to hear from an ex-lover or someone. Things are at a standstill and you are a little worried why things are not moving forward in your love life. I also feel that if you are in a relationship, communications are not happening right now at all, or maybe in the past there was no communication. I feel right now also there is no communication. Everyone is waiting. I don't know what there is wait, but you all are waiting. Some of you are waiting for a new romance, some of you are waiting for communications from a lover. I feel like, in the month of September, there will be someone wants to win you in the month of September. There is a partnership that's coming, or a partner who wants to win you, who wants to officially date you or officially marry you, or they want to officially declare this relationship or something. They want to be respected in your eyes. But I feel that right now this person, some of you already know this person, is not making a move right now. They are just relaxing, chilling. They are not talking to you, they are not making a move. And even in the start of September, I see that there will be no movement in your love life. I also feel some of you could be fighting or arguing with a partner, or it may happen in September that arguments or conflicts will happen. Difference of opinion may happen because you both, if you are married or if you are in a relationship, friends, there can be arguments because you both are stuck. You both are stuck on this 4-4 energy. You want your thing, they want their thing, and like you both are stuck. And this can lead to some arguments, some difference of opinion. It will also lead to some sexy passion. I feel like it will make your relationships passionate, but some difference of opinions, arguments can happen in September. But I see that even though the arguments will happen, there is this slight delay in your love life, some wait, but I still see from the mid of September things picking up in your love life. There is this someone coming back. You may receive a promotion or good news is coming for you, and this will be a reward for you. So I definitely see someone coming into your life, charging towards you, trying to win you. If you like someone, you may also be proposing them. I feel it is both ways. If someone likes you, they will come back and will try to win you. If you like someone, maybe a celebrity, maybe someone you have a crush on, you are going to go out and give them this yellow flower and, hey, do you want to talk with me? I keep getting that song from Justin Bieber, Baby. So, Baby, Baby. So that song is keep on, it's important for you, I think. I definitely feel that even though you start the month a little slow, there will be some arguments in your love life or relationships, but there is extreme progress in your love life. Yes, relationships are moving ahead, and you will realize some positive changes in your love life. I also feel that you will gain some clarity about some situation in your love life, like some maturity. Like, if you were friends, you will start dating someone. If you are dating someone, you may reach the next level, like, let's meet, let's talk face to face. If you are engaged, you may want to get married with that person, or they may want to get married to you. So, forward momentum, the next step is happening for you in your love life. I also feel that, some things will become very clear in your love life. I don't know, like there are situations right now which you don't know, which are not making sense to you, like why something is happening, why we are fighting, why that person didn't make a move towards me, why they keep me in this waiting, why you are single. All those big questions are on your mind, but in September you are going to get renewal, the clarity. It is time to get clarity about your life and make changes so that you are on the path which is most divinely guided for you. So definitely, friends, some important, very very big messages or clarity will come to you regarding a marriage, or why a relationship is not working, or why a relationship will work and it is destined to work. You are going to get a lot of clarity and forward progress in your love life. If you are single, you will attract romance from your work and social media. People from your work, or someone you share your hobbies with, they will be very attracted towards you. And someone wants to meet you in September, I feel. Number 20, 26, 4, 14, 11 are important. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important in September for you. You could be these sun signs: Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel, friends, that some of you could be dealing with a third party, or you are right now in a situation where your relationship is affected by family, by career, or some other person. Friends, you are going to get clarity on that situation. If you are dealing with third party in September, some major clarity is going to come to you. Why, what to do, where to go, what else to do. Clarity is going to come, and I see you winning in your love life and romance. You feeling like, oh, finally I'm winning, it's my time to shine. But friends, the only drawback is I see that there will be arguments, there will be you know fights, discussions, difference of opinion, so you need to stay careful about that. I also feel that maybe a marriage could be tested. If you are married, your marriage could become a test, because you and your partner may think differently, and some revelations will happen, some hidden messages may come. or you both are living in different cities, so that may test your patience. But I think if you work together, things will not get worse, things will get better in your marriage. Let's see your romance card. Wow, two of cups coming together. Definitely, friends. If you are single, things are coming together for you. Harmony is coming together. Partnerships are coming together. I know it will not happen in the start of the month for you in September, but by the time September, mid of September, things are going to really work out for you. And this Two of Cups of partnerships and friendships, and some of you could be getting pregnant also, or expecting a family, expecting someone is expecting in the family. That is also there. I see someone's birthday is also coming in September, so that will also lead to some happiness. Let's see your advice. Let's see your advice. Then I'll pull some extra charms from here. Answers you need are coming. The full moon in Gemini, so you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini yourself. Friends, I definitely feel that September is very important for you, because some answers are missing right now from your love life. Maybe why someone put you in a third party, why they are not messaging you, why a relationship is stuck, why things are fighting, why you are confused about your love life, what is the future of a relationship. Answers you need are coming. Look at this. This is beautiful, friends. Let's see your romance angels messages. Then I'm gonna pull out some extra charms for you. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Yes, friends, stay positive. Don't give up. I feel like you are. It feels like you want. You are a little pessimistic about your love life, like nothing will happen, nothing has happened yet, so why it will happen. But friends, you chose this yellow because yellow is about hope, so stay positive, stay optimistic, don't lose faith. I see a happy relationship or a relationship moving forward for you, so let's see the charms for you. Okay, I'll pull three because I got three in my hands. Let's see for pile number two, what's going to happen for pile number two for the month of September. Okay. Wow, see, growing old together. This is the couple. Yes, a relationship is coming, a marriage commitment is coming. You are going to grow old together. Yes, things are coming. This, look at this. Coming together. This beautiful connection is coming for you, friends. You also have the feather. The answers you seek are coming. Look at this. The answers you seek are coming. I think someone will write to you, or you may write to someone. Someone may propose you, or you may propose someone, friends. So interesting. And oh my god, the horseshoe, the luck is with you. And look at it. This is also two. It is like the twin hearts. A twin flame could be coming towards you, or a very important fortune, a blessed connection, friends. It is a destined connection coming towards you, and that is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, friends. Like, share and subscribe. Let me know if this reading resonated. If you enjoy our English readings, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. And do join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C Singh. So, bye. Friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful blue rose, let us see how your month of September love and romance will be. Let's see that. This is your oracle messages. This is your romance angels messages. This is your advice for the month of September, friends. And this is your extra. This is your tarot cards. This is some extra charms. We will pull some extra charms from here. Let's see, the lovers. Oh my god, look at this card. It's beautiful. The flamingos with a heart here. Look at this. Wow, you start with the lovers, number 6. 9 of autumn. Awakening. Wow, this is beautiful. 6 and 12 are important, I feel, for you. 5 of autumn. The 8 of autumn. The Ace of Cups. Wow, friends, the lovers, the Ace of Cups. This is beautiful. Congratulations. And the Ten of Cups. Wow, friends, beautiful. I just adore this reading of yours. Friends, so let's start. Just a second. Okay. I hope you can see the cards. Friends, the first thing I'm feeling is that September you are going to be extremely busy with your work. You are going to have a lot of career success, or your focus will be mostly on work and finances rather than on love. But the surprise of this month for you, look at this. The surprise is that not only not only work success, but love is coming your way, friends. Yes, I feel like your focus right now is also on work, on finances, on career, on education. You want to progress in life. You want to develop your career. If you are not working, you want to work, become financially independent. You are also making new plans to study. Look at this. Someone is studying in a book. This parrot is studying in a book. These cards are beautiful. So I feel like you will be studying more, focusing on work. Your focus right now is also on work, finances, career, yourself, your education, not on love so much. But love is coming your way, friends, whether you want it or not, it is coming your way, because I see that some of you have been very badly hurt, friends, very, very badly hurt and left out in love. It's like it's like someone left you out in the cold, or someone didn't appreciated you in love, or someone didn't reciprocated your love, one-sided love. I don't know why, but it keeps coming. Like you felt there is one-sided love, someone didn't put in that effort for you. So you are feeling that, and that's why you are not focusing on work, because you have faced a lot of challenges in love. And that is why you are focusing on work, you are focusing on your job, education, money, but not on love. I also feel some of you are in a relationship which is stuck and not moving forward. It is like there is a relationship or a person or a partner, maybe a husband or a wife, maybe a lover, a twin flame, but things are stuck. They are refusing to move forward. But I feel that in September, this person in your life, or it can be an old lover, ex lover, a twin flame, or someone you have recently met or dated. It could be a friend, it could also be a new lover, but you already know this person. That's what I feel. Because there is this hanged man. You know this person, they are in your life, maybe as a friend, maybe as friend zoned, maybe as a lover who has hurted you, who has left you out in the cold, or who never accepted your offer of love. I feel this person is going to get a shift of in their mind, shift in their heart. Someone is going to get realize their love for you. I don't know why I keep getting that. Look at this. Someone is going to awaken, someone is going to wake up that they love you and they just can't live without you. You are the one for them. They feel this undying love for you. And oh my god, it's going to shock this person, because this blue is like electric blue. It's like shocking, it's like exotic. So I see like someone is going to shock you, surprise you, and I think even you will be surprised that this person loves me. I mean, like now, after all these years, after so much has happened, after you refused me, after all those things, you suddenly wake up and realize this is love. My God, I think you will also realize that you love this person. Someone you have never liked, maybe they are not your type. So if you are single and have never met anybody, you are going to meet someone who is not your usual type in September. And friends, you will feel this unusual attraction with this person. And you are going to feel like, oh my god, you like them, you love them, you care for them. You will feel like they are your soulmate. Even though they are not like you, they are completely different. True and long lasting love finds its way into your life. Follow your heart with caring action. So be caring, friends, be caring. I know your focus is on work. You don't want to deal much in love, but friends, love is coming, or someone is waking up. It's like an alarm. I see that alarm clock ticking, 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 and someone is waking up to realize that they love you and they can't live without you, and they desperately want you back in their life. It could be a new person, or it could be someone who is already in your life, who is not talking, who is actually ghosted you, blocked you. That person. Proposals of love are going to come your way, friends, whether you like it or not. They are going to come your way, and this 10 of cups of happiness, it will be yours no matter whether you want it or not. I also feel you will spend more time with your family and friends rather than love, because you feel like love is not your cup of tea, because you have faced so much of problems in love. But in September, friends, love is coming whether you want it or not, and it is someone is going to realize their love for you. They are going, I see them waking up like, oh my god, what happened? It's like a quick realization. And I think that person will then propose marriage, or will then propose some forgiveness or some sort of a offer for you. If you are married and your marriage was not going well, September will bring some healing love and affection for you. Good news! And some extra money also, friends. Some money also. So, congratulations. I see, friends, if you are single, love can also come through marriage proposals from your family, or through family friends, or through cousins. Love is coming through your family. So, remember that. I also feel that someone is trying to type a beautiful proposal. Look at this parrot. They are trying to write a message to you, and they are like shaking. They are nervous because they love you. They don't know how to say this after so many years, or maybe after what they did. They don't know how to tell you they love you, they like you, they care for you. Goodness gracious. This is the best, I think, of all the three. This is the most beautiful of the September readings. Let's see your oracle messages. Opportunity beckons, number 4, 4 of cups. And you also have the 5 of autumn. Definitely, friends, things are coming your way. New people are coming, offers of love are coming, communications are coming your way. But somehow I see you turning your back. It's like, nah, I don't want love. I don't want love. What's love? You are like, no, I don't want it. I don't want another heartache. I don't want another breakup. So you may turn your back on it. So I don't know. Do you want to do that? I don't know. It's. Let's see your advice. Maybe that will help you out. Be bold and make the first move, friends. I think you should say, if someone says, "Hi, how are you? I like you," you should say, "Oh, thank you." At least say the thank you. Be bold and make the first move. Oh my god, friends. I think you should accept the offers of love coming your way, because love doesn't always often come. So make sure when it's coming, you say hi. And I also see that you will also wake up and realize that you love someone, when, no matter how much you hate them, or how much you don't like them, or how much this person is obsessed with their work. Someone is a workaholic around you, and you still love them no matter what, and it's going to surprise you, but you are going to enjoy it. I see a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important to you. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or their sun or moon, sun and the Venus sign could be in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see your romance angels. I'm excited now. Let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. See, friends, I told you your love is coming through friends, common friends, cousins, family. Actually, you are looking for friendships rather than love. You want a good friendship, like someone who can support you, understand you, and not hurt you like you have been in the past. So, I do see that friends are coming towards you. And for some of you, this person who is going to surprise you with an offer. You have common friends. You have common friends. And maybe you should ask your common friends to help you together set up a date or something, because I see no one is making a first move here. Look at this. Nine of autumn, you are happy there. You are sad, they are happy at work. So, what's going on? Someone needs to make the first move, and angels say advice is for you. Go ahead and make the first move. So, friends, interesting. Let's see your extra charms for pile number 3. Let's see what's going to come for your dice. For pile number 3, what will happen in their love life? Okay, I almost dropped them off the table, so I tried to stop them. You have the hand. Look at this. The hand, the palm of destiny. Can you see that? Wow. Someone is destined to be in your life, whether you want them or not. They are a part of your destiny, friends, and it will be, it is going to happen, or it is going to start. If, like, some of you could be getting married or meeting a proposal, arranged marriage proposal or something that will lead to marriage in the future. So destiny, the hand, destiny is there with you. You also have the cat. So you are going to feel like very sexy, very passionate, very well happy, very well. This nine of, you look at this also has a cat here. You're looking like this, happy. You don't want love, you're happy with yourself, but love is coming. And someone very attractive is coming, I feel. And I also feel that someone is stalking your social media. Like, cats walk very slowly. They don't make noise. They can keep an eye on you, but they don't make any noise. So someone is keeping an eye on your social media, and they will contact you in the month of September. Look at this arrows. This is communications, 2 and 4th. Also, this could be a Cupid's arrow. Someone wants to hit you. Someone wants to date you. Someone wants to love you. Maybe a friend, maybe a co-worker. Amazing, friends, and that's it for September. Have a very happy September. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Let me know if you enjoyed the English reading, if you enjoyed these little cubes. Subscribe, like this video, friends, if you enjoyed today's setup. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.